There are 149 million square kilometers of land on our planet. The more intensely we use this land, the more vulnerable we are to climate risks like heat, droughts, and floods. And technical solutions such as dikes and irrigation reach their limits. But the good news is that how we use land can be part of the solution by working with nature, not against it. Nature-based solutions use natural processes restoring wetlands or rewilding rivers to protect us from these climate hazards. So far, so good, but here's the catch. The impact of nature-based solutions depends on where they're placed, and many of the areas that need them most are in private hands. Land4Climate is the first EU-funded project aiming to show how nature-based solutions can thrive on private land and inspire others to follow. To make that happen, we work with landowners in 6 front-runner regions throughout Europe. Let's have a look. In the Lafnitz catchment, landowners will bring back natural water retention, letting the land hold more water to prevent flooding. In the Po Delta, coastal dunes will be restored, not by machines, but by landowners and communities who saw that nature is the best flood defense. In the Upper Timish catchment, local landowners will help create wetlands and buffer zones that then protect their own communities from floods. In the Ranova catchment, farmers and forest owners will also be turning their lands into climate buffers, fighting floods and droughts at the same time. In Eiskirchen, local communities are planting tiny forests in urban spaces, bringing shade, biodiversity, and joy back to the neighbourhoods. In Bohemian Switzerland National Park and the town of Krasna Lipa, landowners will restore their land, removing outdated drainage, bringing back springs, and letting nature breathe again. Realising such measures on private land makes it necessary to have landowners on board. Therefore, each NBS is developed locally through co-design workshops, conversations, and real cooperation. We want to find out what it needs to make nature-based solutions truly work long-term for the people who own the land. That's why we generate knowledge and scientific evidence to guide business models, policy instruments, and decision-making that can be used far beyond the project's lifetime. We want to make sustainable land use the new normal, to tackle climate risks that already affect our everyday lives. Because land isn't just property, it's the foundation for our future. Find out more on our website and follow us on social media.